Okay. Well, I'm totally impressed. It's burning them pretty darn good. So what I'm going to do is just throw in another box. See how it goes. Okay, now this is what happens when you start gasifying. So I turned it up all the way. I'm just letting it run hog wild. This is true gasification here. It's paper going to gas. I'll cut her down a smidge. Okay, this is the way we want to burn it. This is really efficient. It's almost almost no smoke. Nice. It turns into a nice blue flame, and we're just burning a stack of paper. And it does really truly burn it to powder. Now we're truly gasifying. Air's coming up from the bottom and going in around the top. So it likes more air rather than not. But it's about half. We're going to burn off some paint here because it's going to get really hot. This thing's metal, but it can take my tape off. That was just temporary anyway. It looks really nice.